Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tips with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Rachel. Rachel is one of the girls' name. Rachel is the Christian name. The origin of the name Rachel is of English origin. 3 is the lucky number for Rachel name girls. According to experts, girls named Rachel are very pretty. Rachel name meaning the innocent lamb. Lucky days for people with name Rachel include Tuesday and Thursday. Red and violet colors are suitable for Rachel. Ruby is the lucky stone for Rachel name girls. Lucky metals include copper and iron by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.